What's up, Lancers? I've got something huge to spill. Have you heard of the DPLA? It's a Distinguished Public Lecture and Award hosted by the University of Writing Center. This is our 5th time hosting the event, but this year will be next level. Dr. Ellis, our president, will be the speaker of the event. To celebrate his 30th year as the president of CVU and his recently published book, We Are Ready. If you haven't gotten your copy yet, it's available at Campus Store, Amazon, or Office of Student Success. And all the proceeds will go to a scholarship for future Lancers. As students, we're going to hear a lot about leadership and what it means to have a seat at the table in the future. And there will be a showcase of CVU alumni that currently have seat at the table in the industries that you might want to pursue in the future. And you'll have the opportunity to connect with these people. Write it down. Wednesday, March 26th, Van Dyne at 3:30. Spots are limited, so register today. Be there, Lancers. It's going to be legendary. I'll see you there.